Alright, I'm testing my new Stream Deck button. If it doesn't like turn on in like a second, then I'll switch the seat. I think it's supposed to switch itself.
Oh my god.
Fine. I have a few different projects open right now, and I got Unity open, I got Blender open, and we got this cool website open called Canva where they have a lot of really cool templates, and you can like, it's just really cool that you can use these templates to start your own projects. And I thought this could be pretty fun for like either my new YouTube video, and or I was thinking about making a little WebGL game starting off with this template about how to make some cool fashions, like DIY fashion game to go along with my YouTube channel. Woo! A hair raising experience, good one. This is pretty much, I think, supposed to be like a website template, but there's all these really super awesome templates on Canva, and I was going to use this in Unity instead of just as a website, you know, because we could use it as a website, but I'm trying to get some Unity practice, so once we're done doing all this fun design, then we can export it, and it'll be fun. Some of these are free, some are pro. This is free. We could put this one on the makeup. One that says makeup. She looks kind of pissed. She got that resting bitch face. Resting bitch face going on. She kind of reminds me of like from Archer. If we want to later, we can always come in here and change the art. You can get quite a ways with the template content here. Oh god, I did not mean to do that. Alright, we're good, we're good. Ungroup. Now we need a YouTube. Pro, free. Is this the one we want? I guess red is okay. Pinterest is also red though. Why wouldn't I make them both red? Oh, you can choose the colors up here. Fuck yeah. Oh god. Remember last year, friends? We went to like, we did the Alt Space VR Burning Man thing. That was fun. This year, I submitted to see like, hey, can I make a submission? We actually applied to submit something for the Burning Man VR thing. I applied, but I was like, yeah, it's like I haven't made the world yet. Because it was like, do you already have a world prepared? I'm like, no, because like I would make it if I got accepted type of. So pretty. Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah, once a year Burning Man happens, and last year they had it just in VR, so I went to the VR thing. But I was actually on the desktop mode. You don't actually need VR to experience Burning Man in Alt Space VR because you can just use the desktop mode, and it's a free game too. But yeah, I would be totally down to do it this summer. Maybe I will start to make my little camp idea just to be prepared. This is like the old purple of Twitch. Okay, the only thing I don't like in here as much is like the scaling and maneuvering over. I kind of like that better in Affinity Designer. Yeah, let's see. I was kind of thinking, you know, the Bounder from Breaking Bad? We had made that in a super low poly version a long time ago. And I thought it would be pretty fun to take that Bounder and kind of like redo it and try to make it way better. And then make like a super pimped out Bounder and use that for Burning for the basis of our Burning Man art car. There we go. All right. This needs to be black, I guess. And there it is. All right, cool. So now we got resources for DIY fashion ideas, and I just have like these 3 different ideas that we'll put in the game or whatever it's gonna be, part of the website and stuff. Examples to try. I'm gonna delete this thing. And we can always decide to do that differently later. We got a cool outline for the text so far. Basically, you want the image to be up here because if you got a folder like this folder stuff that we're editing, then the background image is at the top, but that means it'll be the first thing that renders, and that's why it's like this here. Sweet. Alright, what's the next thing we want to bring in from Affinity? I like how we have these buttons, they already match pretty much. I think that we have under our character all capital. Let's turn that off for a second. Let me know if you see any of these that you like. It's cool looking. But it's like pretty illegible. I just marked that though for favorite for the day. That's kind of cool. I like that a little bit. Yeah, pretty much we're gonna recreate the top one a little bit. Mainly because this way we have more control over everything here in our own designer, and we don't have to worry about paying a fee to export those images and stuff. I don't mean to be such a cheap ass, but it's like we already bought this program, and we can see how we can use it in the same way too. It's cool to see what like free options are out there, but I had used the Canva app a bunch for just making stories for Instagram. Not a whole bunch, but like I made like 3 or 4 last few days, and then I think that you actually just have to pay for the bigger templates, like the presentation that I was using. It looks like a pretty good deal. I think it only said like $1 per page, so that's still really good. Character, there we go. I don't know if the black or the white text looks better. I think I like the white, but we can try adding some. Doesn't have. It could be like any. It could be any color. We could add some cool effects or something. We can add this to like a text group. All right, this is fun. Does anyone else like designing, or is it just me? So yeah, I was thinking we can make sure that well, if this is a sprite sheet, then we can animate those sprites in however we like once they're in Unity. I was trying to figure out how to do those awesome things where like images would like fade on and fade off in Unity. Like that type of thing is kind of like cool. Like you could do that in Blender and other regular like video editing pretty easily, but and you can also choose like how narrow you want this thickness. What about that? um, Proportional length. Boing, boing. The sprite sheet to get the things to look right. Yeah, thank you very much for hanging out tonight, friends. I appreciate the patience with my start time. Sometimes, like, I can't really predict my sleep like schedule. I have to prioritize my sanity. All right, well, we got Windy Beard, we got C Sharp Fritz. See you next time. I'll try to pop on and, well, I'll definitely be in the Discord and social media and whatnot, but I'll try to do another Twitch stream this weekend if possible. I gotta make up my mind about what games to play next. Yeah, thanks for being awesome, friends. Thanks again for all the tips and stuff. um, let's get C Sharp Fritz. C Sharp is from the Live Coder. He's actually, I think, the creator of the Live Coders. I'm not totally sure about that, but I think so. Have a good night, friends. Cheers.